हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बी अ प्रोग्रामर में। सो टुडे आई हैव केम अप विद अ वीडियो ऑफ अमेजोन एक इंटरव्यू मैंने लिया कि मेरा एक दोस्त काम कर रहा है। पोस्टेड अ कम्युनिटी पोस्ट ऑल्सो। एक कम्युनिटी पोस्ट मैंने पोस्ट किया था कि अगर आपको एक वीडियो चाहिए, इफ यू वांट अ वीडियो, एज माय वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड इज वर्किंग इन अमेजोन एज अ MBO. So I will post a video for sure, and I have shot that video, and we will be talking about everything in this video. It is a bit longer video, but I will promise you that we have talked everything in this video about the VCS also and about the MBA also, because मेरा दोस्त जो है आकाश, उसका नाम है, उनका नाम आकाश है। और एक चीज़ मैं बताऊं कि वो बीकॉम फाइनेंस से है, बीकॉम फाइनेंस, यस बीकॉम फाइनेंस, और वो अमेजोन में MBO की तरह काम कर रहा है। सो ही विल बी शेयरिंग हिज एक्सपीरियंस ऑल्सो एंड अबाउट द टिप्स हाउ ही गॉट इन टू अमेजोन। ही विल बी शेयरिंग एवरीथिंग इन दिस वीडियो। और मैं एक चीज़ बता दूं आपको, बिकॉज ही इज़ बिट कैमरा शाई, थोड़ा कैमरा शाई है, तो थोड़ा सा मतलब आपको कट्स ज़्यादा मिलेंगे वीडियो में, और थोड़ा हंसी मजाक, थोड़ा मतलब स्माइली फेसेस ज़्यादा दिखेंगे, बिकॉज वी हैव शॉट, बिकॉज ही इज़ माई फ्रेंड। सो इफ अगर हम शूट करते हैं वीडियो फ्रेंड के साथ, थोड़ा बहुत हंसी मजाक हो जाता है। तो दैट इज़ द थिंग, एंड वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट एवरीथिंग इन दिस वीडियो, and it will be a very informative video. If you want more updates like this, more interview tips like this, more interview experience interviews like this, please comment down that you want these kind of videos. So I will definitely post these kind of videos oftenly and frequently. I will post. And let's start with the video. If you haven't liked this video, please hit that like button, because बहुत मेहनत लगी है इस वीडियो को बनाने में और इस वीडियो को एडिट करने में, बिकॉज बहुत लंबी वीडियो बन गई थी। सो इट हैज़ टेकन लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स टू एडिट दिस वीडियो and make this video. And please hit that subscribe button also. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update, because we are posting many videos related to job interviews, job tips, like these kind of experience videos are also coming. So let's start with the video. So let's start with the first question, that is, what is his education qualification and what is he doing right now in Amazon? He will tell everything now.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well at home. So my name is Akash, and I am currently working with Amazon as a business operations specialist. And it's been like 6 months since when I'm working with Amazon at this post. It is a L3 level post, and I have also worked with Amazon as a VCS customer associate.
So what is your education qualification, like how you entered into this Amazon?
So I am a graduate, a BCom graduate from Lovely Professional University, Punjab, and my field of specialization was financial markets. But anyhow, I came into this one for like while I was searching for job, I saw an opportunity to work with Amazon as a VCS customer associate. I was there in Lucknow when I saw this job. I went for interview. There were quite a few rounds for interview. Uh, Basically, they were about to check your grammatical uh, skills, you can say, and also how you pronounce, how the way you tackle questions. Apart from that, what they were looking for is like there were quite a few rounds of exams, you can say, that they took, like to check your grammatical control. And they also asked for like writing an email kind of thing. And there were some phrases that you need to arrange properly करके ऐसा something, it was like that. Apart from that, the interview did not, I think it was not very much like the one which I gave for MBO. So that's how I started my journey with Amazon. I worked for like 6 months. I entered in VCS, I guess, in August, and I ended it in January. January 31st was my last working day as a VCS associate. So right next to it, I dropped off. I thought of working for like to be very honest, I enjoyed working with Amazon as a VCS associate, but so yeah, so but due to some personal issues, I wasn't able to continue it for like a long term. So I dropped off.
So, as he told about VCS, like there is a test, normal test, VCS version test is there. I have also made some videos on version test. You can get the link of those tests in the description. So, as he started his journey as a VCS in Amazon, so let's talk about the eligibility criteria. What is the major eligibility criteria?
So talking about the eligibility criteria, the main focus was they were who have cleared their plus two, and apart from that, they were also hiring graduates. So the main focus was there for the VCS associate employees.
Okay, so 12th plus, if you are 12th plus, you are eligible for the VCS post. That is L2 post, and this L2, L3 are some terms, technical, some company related terms in Amazon. It basically derives that L2 is entry level, L3 is much higher level. It is for Amazon. It is internal communication. It is for internal communication.
It
Then
is basically like a designation change. Like
okay, okay.
earlier you were associate, now you are specialist, now you'll be team lead, something like that.
Okay, okay. Like as your experience grows in Amazon, so the level of your L1, L2, L3, like this, the graph of their growth is there. It is only a criteria. You can only assume it as a criteria. So talking about the further, as he is working as a MBO in Amazon now. So talking about the MBO now, he will tell about firstly the eligibility. What is the MBO eligibility?
So talking about MBO, MBO, the full form of MBO is Marketplace Business Operations. And if talking about me, I am a catalog specialist or business operations specialist, in short, you can say. I work for transparency team. So, and the minimum eligibility they ask for L3 level designation is the associate should be graduate, at least graduate, and also sorry to cut, and also should not be more than 4 years. It should not hold more than 4 year of work experience. Yeah.
Okay, so that was the basic eligibility criteria. Is there any percentage criteria of graduation?
I did not notice any such things as far as now. I think they only asked me whether if you have any backlogs or not. So I didn't had. So that is, yeah, that's all.
Okay, that backlog criteria is necessary, that you don't need to hold any active backlogs. Okay, now he will talk about his interview process. What was his basic like selection process that he has gone through? He will tell everything now.
It was a lot similar like VCS wala interview and exams. The only external thing which was here, as far as I remember, is there was some reasoning questions which you had to go through, and that was only a different thing that I noticed. Apart from that, here the PI round, I went through 3 personal interview rounds, and yeah, please make sure that your aptitude is quite good, because the HRs, the interviewers, they might ask you to solve a aptitude question right in front of yourself. So better be prepared for that. And apart from that, there were normal questions like experience, as far as like share something about yourself, what you know. Please be specific what you know about yourself. Don't hesitate in answering any of their questions.
Okay, basic matlab reasoning question, that is about logical reasoning. Yes, sir,
Exactly.
reasoning.
That was like
Like questions related to
I
seating
exactly
arrangement.
cannot tell you what the questions were.
Yeah.
But I am not able to figure it out how to speak that one. So, sorry, but you have to be specific on what you are going to opt for the answers.
Okay, like situation based question. were there?
Exactly, for
Okay,
yourself. Situation
Okay.
considering yourself.
Okay, situation like scenarios based question. They will give you some hypothetical scenario. In that you have to tell the what you are going to do in that scenario.
Exactly,
So that
yeah.
is about the reasoning he's talking about. Okay, so that was about the whole process. First one was your English, basic English needs to be very clear if you are going through this MBO or any Wordcent round in the Amazon. So that is the first round, and then some reasonings is some scenario based question to be more specific. So as we have taken a brief about all the process, so now let's dive into the process and let's see that what if I want to give interview and I want to prepare for the MBO process, then what is the basic requirement and what are the detailed information I need to keep in the mind and what to prepare. Now Akash, please tell us about this.
To be very specific, there is nothing as detailed they would ask you. All they need to know is your mindset, to be very clear, कि आपका mindset कैसा है, positive approach रखते हो आप किसी भी चीज़ को लेके. And apart from that, they would look your aptitude, that what I told you earlier also. Your aptitude should be, I mean, they would ask you to solve a question right in front of them. Like they would ask you to solve a question in front of them, कि please solve this question for me करके. They would also give you some situations and ask your overview about it, how to manage those stuffs. ऐसा करके भी they might ask questions.
So how much rounds are basically there in the MPO?
So talking about personal interview round, I personally went through three personal interview rounds, and as far as I remember, uh, basically they would go for two personal interview rounds, but why they took three was because there were a number of applicants who were sitting for the interview. I mean, a number of applicants had cleared their this written exam, written in the sense that test wala exam. So possibly that is why they took three personal interview rounds. I'm not sure whether you might have to give three or possibly one also they could take, but just be mentally prepared about everything. Even if you don't know, don't hesitate in telling a wrong answer. Yeah, but please speak.
So Akash, how did you apply for this MBO and VCS? Talking about both the positions, how did you apply basically?
Talking about how I entered in Amazon, how I got to know about these job positions, these job roles. So I used to scroll a lot on LinkedIn. I don't know why, but yeah, it's kind of, social media for professionals. So I would recommend every one of you to go and make your IDs on LinkedIn. uh, yeah, so I was checking through LinkedIn. I got to know that there are job opportunities with Amazon, so I went directly into it. And VCS was an off-campus. Even this one, MBO post was for off-campus placement. For me, I went in off-campus in the sense walk-in interview for me, but I went in Indraprasth University. Exactly, I don't remember, was it in the Prast or some else. It was in Ghaziabad, sector 64, या शायद याद नहीं मुझे एग्जैक्टली. IPS गाजियाबाद या कुछ करके था उस कॉलेज का नाम. So I went there. It took me 2 days approx to finish all these rounds, including PI round and tests. So better be prepared. I guess right now though Amazon is taking online interviews, online tests, so it would be quite easy for you to clear all the interviews. Apart from that, you can check you can get regular updates about jobs on Amazon on amazonjobs.com. So there you will be getting every single job opportunities for Amazon.
Okay, like it has been almost 1 year you are working with Amazon. Firstly, you worked with the profile that was VCS. Then you came up with another profile that was MPO. So, how was your experience in Amazon, and what is the work culture of Amazon?
So talking about work culture at Amazon, so Amazon's work culture, I personally felt it very good, and I don't think so any one of the Amazonians would feel कि Amazon का work culture खराब है. No one would say that. It has got like no work pressure. कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि work pressure हो उसमें. Like apart from that, there is rotational shifts. Also 5 days working का उनका वो है. In a week you'll get 2 offs. There are like designated 9 hour shift. You don't have to work a single minute extra. बहुत बुरी अगर बिजनेस रिक्वायरमेंट होती है तो इट माइट बी पॉसिबल, बट ऐसे तो नेवर एवर you would be working for 9 hours extra. Even if you will, so you will be getting OT amount, like besides your regular income, you would be getting OT money, overtime money. Apart from that, in that 9 hour shift, you would be getting 1 hour's break, a designated 1 hour's break, a fixed 1 hour break. Like you can take it as per your wish. Talking about my personal experience at Amazon, I am about to cover 1 year with Amazon now. I personally felt it like I am working for my own company, for my own self. I felt like that. कभी ऐसा external work pressure नहीं मिला मुझे. I never had to reach out to anyone for anything. Even they would give you enough right to show your ownership at quite a few time. So yeah, as far as my personal experience, it was all good so far, and hope so it would be good in future also.
सो आज हमने काफ़ी चीज़ों के बारे में बात की, काफ़ी चीज़ें आकाश से पूछी और मैंने उनका जो इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल है वो मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है, तो वहाँ से जाके अगर आपको कोई क्वेरी, इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी रिलेटेड टू अमेजॉन, इफ़ यू वांट टू टॉक टू हिम, so you can talk to him. He is like he can talk to you. He can, if you have any doubt, he can solve with that. And talking about we have talked about everything in this video, about the eligibility criteria, about the process, about the detailed process we have talked, about the experience, about the work culture, हर एक चीज़ के बारे में बात कर ली. अगर आपको कोई और टॉपिक पे वीडियो चाहिए या एक्सपीरियंस वीडियोस ऐसी चाहिए तो आप प्लीज़ कमेंट डाउन करें. हम फ्रीक्वेंटली ऐसे वीडियोस बना के डालते रहेंगे. थोड़ा मेहनत लगता है, थोड़ा एफर्ट ज़्यादा लगता है इन टाइप की वीडियोस में, बिकॉज इट इज़ द टाइप ऑफ कोलैबोरेशन वीडियोस. थोड़ा सा एफर्ट ज़्यादा लगता है. सो प्लीज़ सपोर्ट करें हमारे चैनल को. प्लीज़ लाइक दिस वीडियो. आप इतना सपोर्ट किया है, प्लीज़ लाइक कर दे इस वीडियो को, यहाँ तक देख लिया है तो. और सब्सक्राइब कर दे चैनल को. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल, प्रेस दैट बेल आइकन टू, सो यू नेवर मिस एन अपडेट. वेन एवर वी पोस्ट अ वीडियो यू गेट द अपडेट notification on your mobile or smartphone or laptop, whatever you are using. So thank you for watching this video. We will come up with more videos like this. Thank you so much.